corn dough, and beans, but you do not know what to have for breakfast. Come and let me show you what you can use these two for. Okay, let me show you how you can use these two to make your perfect breakfast. Let's get started. Now that we have this right here, I think we can just get started. So with this, let me show you what you can do. It's small but mighty.
Now let's sort our beans out and then wash it thoroughly. I wash these about 2 times before soaking. Now let's go ahead and soak these for about 6 hours or overnight. After 6 hours or overnight, this is what we have here. I soaked mine for about 6 hours. So this is what I have. I strained the water, wash it again, and I blended. I went ahead to add some salt, and I'm going to mix this very well until it becomes light and fluffy. So I'm going ahead to adjust my salt again at this stage, and then added some onions for flavor. So I'll whisk until it becomes light and fluffy. Now let's heat up some oil, and then we scoop it in bit by bit until we exhaust everything. You can do as much as your oil can contain or can carry. Just flip it over alternatively until you get a golden brown color. If you want to maybe make it without a peel, then go ahead. I'll link a video of that in the description where you can watch and know how to do it without a peel. With this, the beans still has its peels, so yes, you can just do it without a peel and do it also with the peel. So I'll link a video for that in the description. Flip it over alternatively. Do not leave it. Before you come back, it can get burned. So just flip it over, pay attention to it, flip it over alternatively until you achieve something just like this. Now you can take it and then put it on a paper towel. Now let's set this aside and move on to making our porridge. So the main ingredient for this recipe is corn dough. So just put that into your bowl, and then you add some water to this. Add as much water as you prefer, just as you see right here. Add as much as you prefer. Now go in with your hands, a clean hand, and then mash these until everything becomes smooth, until it's free from lumps. You can use your spatula if you do not want to use your hands. Now we want to strain these through a sieve. Yes, we want to strain it through a sieve so it trap all the chaff. We do not want the corn husk, anything that has to do with the corn, to be in the porridge. So we want to strain it or use a sieve to do this. Just as you see, rinse it and add some more water until you are able to get something like this. At this stage, you can still add some water to clear it up to get more, but I think I'm okay. I do not want to do too much. This porridge is a lot. So I'm just going to transfer this onto the fire and continue stirring. Do not leave it. If you leave it, it will develop lumps. So just continue stirring. When you see it thicken like this, add some warm water or room temperature water and continue mixing. It will become smooth. Make sure you continue mixing. It should be a continuous process so that all the lumps will clear off, or you will not have any lumps at all. So just do it as you see. If you feel it's too much thick for you, if you think the thickness is too much for you, just go ahead and then add some more water to this. I also added salt to taste. Make sure you add the salt when your porridge is almost done. Do not add it from the beginning because you'll be adding water and it will be diluting. So just add the salt when you are almost getting there. You feel you do not need any more water. This is what we have, and now it's just ready. So we are going to be serving these. You can enjoy this with bread, both floats, or Koose, yes, Akara, as you can see in this video. So just enjoy it. Add any sweetener of your choice. In this video, I'm using sugar just use that and look at this. Okay, add your milk or milk powder. You can serve this. When you imagine you don't know what to eat, you have condo, this, and then some milk, sugar, and these small beans I used to make this akara is still in your house, and you say you can't have anything to have, you don't know what to have for breakfast, then you are missing out. So let me know how it goes, and then comment your thoughts in the comment section, and also follow me on my other social media platforms, and I'll link them in the description. So this is our episode 1 of the favorite Ghanaian breakfast you can have. So watch out for episode 2. This time I'm here to serve you back to back breakfast recipe ideas. So do not worry, just stay calm. If this is something you love, then do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Also click on the bell notification icon, and do not forget to follow me on my other social media platforms.